Hey, name's Matt. Welcome to the channel.
Spencer. Oh, nope, never mind. This is my turn. I don't know why that fence was throwing me off pretty bad. Oh, man. Okay, my legs are getting very cold already. And the sun's not even down yet. I could make it, but God, I'd be miserable from the waist down. I wonder about, like, making music videos specifically with just pretty rides on my bike. Wonder if there's a market for that. Is that a friend? It is a friend. Hey, friend. That was a high-vis friend. Whee! Oh, I made a terrible, terrible mistake not wearing my winter liners in these pants. God, my thighs are cold. You got thunder thighs, and then you got icy thighs. I mean, my old bullet pants breathed like a freaking trash bag. So I figured, hey, these bullet pants are probably also going to breathe equally terribly and are going to be horribly stuffy. But no, they're actually breathing incredibly well, even with my thermals on underneath. So, I mean, on the one hand, fantastic. I'm so glad that bullet got their Covec down to a point where it's super lightweight and feels comfortable even in warm weather. But on the other hand, god dang it, why did they have to do that now? I'm gonna have icy thighs. Gonna have icy thighs. I'm gonna have icy thighs. I won't feel them and it's gonna suck. Oh, my thighs and my crotch both are frozen solid. Oh, my thighs, oh, my crotch. Oh, my thighs and oh, my crotch. I wonder if I put my legs out, will my thighs not be quite as cold? Or if that's not going to make a difference. My thighs are not cold, but now the entire interior of my legs are cold. That's not helping. I mean, I'm glad that I have those on, that I can stretch my legs if I'm on a long trip, but warmth they do not achieve.
I did not think this one through. We'll have to get gas at the start of my next ride, because this is not realistic to move all of that off and then go. Thank you. Is it on the left? Protagonist, it is on the left. Well, that looks closed. That absolutely looks closed. That does not look like it's open at all. Right on East 4th. Hey! Easy now. Wait, that's not 4th. What the hell? 6th, 5th, trade, and then 4th? Is this 4th? Yeah, what? Alright, right here and then left on South Caldwell. Uh-oh.
I see the sun, which in turn means bright. Oh my god, that's bright. I would like to know why this bike shuts off sporadically between those gears. It's very concerning. I don't like that.